I mean, what we want is to be able to evaluate each advertising impression individually, to be able to then bump that ID, some sort of ID, up against our DMP to tell us, what do I know about this person? How many times have I exposed them? And decide, do I want the opportunity to expose this person, and what am I willing to pay for it? That way, we can be much more efficient and effective.
So do you see programmatic
So
as
technically, we have that
for digital video?
in OLV. Okay, it's not perfect. There's problems there, but it's moving in the right direction. I think that we're just, when you look at OTT, it's just behind. I think it's really very similar to online video. It's just at an earlier stage of its development. I think we're going to get there, but part of it is there needs to be more inventory. There needs to be some development of how we actually execute against it. But also, you've got some large companies that want to set the marketplace in a way that advantages them, and you've got just this clash of the titans.
I mean, we have the same vision that Jonathan does. I mean, we already do business that way, where we will match to a third-party data set and count every impression, and then even do sort of post-campaign sales lift studies. I mean, that's where we all want to take the business.
Yeah.